Well, it's another fine mess I've gotten myself into. Yeah, we got all the fan shroud out, the fan off, valve covers off, a lot of rusty stuff. Still have the thermostat housing. I'm assuming that's what that is. That's not the water pump. The water pump's back somewhere over here. Oh, underneath there. Yeah, I got to take apart get the front cover off, so that's going to be another day for me anyway. Some of the bolts are pretty rusted on. Luckily, I didn't need to take this one off here because this one is already pretty stripped as far as I can't. No, it's this one down at the bottom there. That one is had a bolt extractor on it. Still wouldn't come out, so hopefully I can get the valve cover on without it, which I did get it off without it being, or without taking it off, so should be okay. It does look like the chain is stretched. If you look at the timing mark right there, should be lined up with the mark there, and this timing mark looks like it's lined up, but it should, from what I understand, should be kind of in the middle. However, this one looks like it's in the middle, and the timing mark on the bottom here, which is, you can't really see it that well. There we go. Timing mark. Yeah. So if you go with this timing mark here, it's off. It's off a little bit. So my guess is, even if this is off a little, but it's probably should be on 0. Okay, so I can turn it a little bit. All right, I'm going to try that. Hold on.